Hey guys, we got Contenders number 251. Alright, last team, the Jets, ended July 14th, 2014. Serial number 2064-17207. Number on the box, 2064-17207. Alright, good luck to everyone. Oh, I think there's a patch. Or maybe a booklet redemption. All base. Victor Bartley, rookie ticket auto for the Predators. Oop. Still in good condition. Mark Arcabello, rookie auto for the Oilers. Jamie Benn out of 499 for the Stars. Drew Stafford, gold ticket out of 100 for the Sabres. See, Hank Lundqvist out of 499 for the Rangers. More base. See, Mario Lemieux out of 499 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. More base. Jesper Fast out of 600 for the New York Rangers. Another hit for the Sabres, Chad Rudwell, NHL Ink Auto. More base, last pack. It's a patch. And for the Jets, Anthony Peluso, nice 3-color patch. Number 95 out of 100 for the Jets. Nice way to end the break. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.